you are joining me for the first time, please remember to click subscription button and hit that notification bell to be the first person to receive the video that will be produced by DevTech Media. DevTech Media, updating you. DevTech Media, subscribe to DevTech Media.
Members of the press, dear colleagues, countrymen, it is my pleasure and honor to invite the chairperson of the Zambia We Want UPND Alliance, Honorable Charles Lupi, to say a word or two before he invites our presidential candidate, Mr. Hakainde Hichilema, and his running mate. Mr. Chairman, sir.
The last 5 years, and before that, 5 days before that, Zambia has gone through a traumatic experience. Zambia is divided, and we in the Alliance have decided that one of our core messages is to bring this nation together. And that is why we have been very meticulous, very careful in the selection of our candidate, presidential candidate, and his running mate. And you can see that alone is a clear demonstration that the nation is being brought together. And the alliance that you see here, made up of so many political parties, headed by presidents that come from various parts of this country. Because what we want is what Zambia wants. Total victory, and we are sure that the victory for the UPND Alliance will be at the first round. This is what we are looking for. I can also announce to the nation, because we have seen with our friends the announcement of a running mate caused the few to collapse. With us, the UPND Alliance, I can let you know that the decision to pick Mtalena Rumambo here was unanimously accepted. All of us who are presidents have said she's eminently qualified. I can't talk about HH, you know him. But this lady here, she's eminently qualified. She's an educationist. She has been a parliamentarian, cabinet minister, but above all, she is well steeped, not only herself, but her family, steeped in the Christian principles. She is a good person. She is a good mother. This nation is lucky that we have these two people that are bringing us together.
When a lion attacks a village, whether you quarrel among you in the village or not, stop quarreling and deal with the lion, or you are in trouble. We have only one Zambia. Chisi chomwe mushomo mwe. That's what I know. At this point in time, Mr. President, your job is to show this country that the divisions they talk about are a creature of those who talk about them. We have lived for 57 years together. What can divide us today? You know, when a boat is sinking, and there's a boat somewhere, you start looking for anything to hold on to. And sometimes even a straw in a lake, you think it can protect you, it won't. Once the boat starts sinking, the job of those who know how to swim is to get as many people out of that boat as possible. And that's our job. This alliance is about taking Zambians out of the quagmire we have seen into the hope we want, the Zambia we want. Mr. President, I don't want to take time. The rallies will come and we will articulate these issues more. For now, let me just be the one privileged. Sorry, in my co-chair. These are privileges we rarely have. I am the first one introducing the president to be come 12th August to the podium.
my duty, our duty, is to first and foremost thank the people of Zambia who have been anxious, extremely anxious. They have read a lot, they have seen a lot of roadblocks trying to keep us away from this day. So many, I don't have to explain. You have been reading, you have been following. But the people of Zambia have remained strong in their belief that this day, when we shall file our nominations, presidential nominations will come, and indeed it has come. Thank you to the people of Zambia. Vice President, running mate, Madam Nalumango, really, for the two of us, express our gratitude to these able men, leading parties in their own right, capable. Each one of them would have been a running mate. But they did seek that right, seek that opportunity for the greater good of the people of Zambia. These are great men, and I want to thank you, President, and thank you. Politics is not a game, it's serious business, and this team will deliver this country. We will not let you down. I should not say more because we'll say a little bit outside, but simply to say thank you, media, thank you to the Electoral Commission. I know, and I think we all know the pressures they were under in order to disqualify us, but it was not possible. But thank you. We must thank these people. They are under pressure from us in the political arena, but we ask them to remain strong, to continue doing that which is right for the people of Zambia. Because you choose the leadership to save the people, not to be saved by the people. You choose the leadership to unite the people, not to divide the people. You choose the leadership to be inclusive, not to exclude citizens. And that's what this leadership, your leadership, collective leadership, will do for the 18 million Zambians. How can I say thank you to all of you, presidents? I think somehow along the way, as we went back to deliver, we shall find time and space, appropriate time and space to say thank you. This is only the beginning. Thank you to you all for witnessing this process. It's been a bit lengthy, I'm not sure why, but you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. God bless you all. We love you.
If you are joining me for the first time, please remember to click subscription button and hit that notification bell to be the first person to receive the video that will be produced by DevTech Media. DevTech Media, updating you. DevTech Media, subscribe to DevTech Media. DevTech Media, subscribe to DevTech Media.